Today I will introduce you to a new thing that will blow your mind away. Well, this is not that new. This is a dish that has been done in South America for a long time. But I'm sure many of you never heard about this before. At least I've never seen it on any restaurant in this part of the world. Now, I will introduce you to the inside-out stuffed picanha. Can we find a better name for it? No? Okay. This is a different way of cooking picanha, but it has been done for a very long time. All we need is a nice, juicy, fatty and prime picanha to make it happen. This can be done with any type of picanha, but a prime picanha with all the marbling it has is a must if you want to try the best. So to start with, I went to my favorite store, Broward Meat and Fish, and got myself this beauty. Together with all the other ingredients needed for this recipe. If you live in South Florida, you need to pay this store a visit. They don't only have it all in there, but also the best prices in the market. This is making my mouth watering just by thinking about how good it is. In any case, the main and possibly only problem we will have with this cut is exactly what makes picanha so amazing in the first place: the beautiful fat cap on top. The fat cap is the one thing that makes this cut unique and different, and every time you cook picanha, you want to get all that fat melting on the meat below to create the most delicious and tender thing you will bite into. And even though I'm a big advocate for that beautiful fat cap, to make it easier to flip inside out, we need to cut a bunch of it before doing anything else with it. This is making my soul cry, but I have to find the strength to make it for you guys. So please, as a token of appreciation, drop this video a like. And after all that suffering and crying, this is the final result. We are only leaving about 1/4 inch of fat on top of it, and the rest will join the brisket trims for talo. Now it is time for me to create a little rub. This will be 1 part of coarse pepper, 3/4 parts of sea salt, 1/8 part of garlic powder, 1/8 part of onion powder, and 1/4 part of smoked paprika. And add it to the picanha all over the meat and the fat, making sure that every part of it gets a little bit of this flavor on. Okay, we have it all ready, and you're anxious to know what is the next step, but the next step is very simple. Now I will just set the picanha on the grill and leave it there until the internal temperature gets to 90 degrees. The idea here is for the picanha to create a nice crust on the outside. But we don't want to cook it yet, we're just adding flavors. Once it gets to the magic temperature, pull it from the grill and let it cool off a bit on the cutting board. And meanwhile, it is time to prepare the stuff. Here you can use your imagination. Everything I will add to my stuffing will do great on this dish. But you are the master of your own domain at this point. So, you do you, boo-boo. I will add 1 entire onion cut into small chunks. Half of a red pepper cut into the same size chunks we cut the onions before. Half of a green pepper cut into small, well, you know. And all that over a beautiful bed of bacon. Because you know, bacon makes everything better. And the idea of cutting everything at the same sizes is for it to cook up at the same time. No salt and pepper at this time, we will add that later on. Cook on your pan or anything else you have until the onions and peppers are soft but still crunchy. Remember, we will keep on cooking this stuff after we add it to the picanha. Also, I have some mozzarella cheese cut into 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch cubes, and this amazing sharp cheddar cheese I got already cut up on the store. Mix all the cheese with the veggies and the bacon and add the salt and pepper to your likeness. And set to the side so we can take care of the picanha. All this time we allow the picanha to rest, and this will make it cooler to handle and for the juices that were heated up to fall back into their places again. So now it's time for the real deal. Cut a portion of the head of the picanha to discover the meat inside. And with your knife, being careful, start opening a pocket right down the middle. You want to be very careful here, because if you cut too much, you will open a hole on the meat and the stuff will escape from there. Take your time and cut slowly until you know you are good to go. At the end, you should have something that looks like this. Now, all we need to do is to flip it inside out, but once again, be careful. You don't want to destroy all the work by applying too much force. So be gentle and work your way around little by little. And once you have it all ready, it is just a matter of stuffing the picanha up. Add as much or as little as you want, but again, don't apply too much force. And finally, all we need to do at this point is just to close the pocket up. I will use butcher's twine for this job, and by opening small holes with my thin knife around the picanha, I can sew the entire pocket in no time. Once you are ready, set it back in the grill, and now we will cook it all the way. I will cook this baby until it gets to 120 degrees internally, and right away I will sear. And after all that hard work, we should be gifted with the most beautiful and delicious thing we had ever cooked. Let's cut into this meat and see the results. Alright, Miss Ninja, look at what we have here for you today.
For me or for everybody out there?
You guys want it? If you guys want it, you can come and get it.
It looks gorgeous.
It looks awesome, guys, and the smell is incredible.
That is true.
It has a little bit of work into it, but
yes,
man,
it does.
I hope it was worth it. We're gonna try it now, and Miss Ninja, you tell me what do you think, okay?
Hey,
what?
You see that knife?
You know they call me the ninja for a reason?
Yeah. Hey, but watch out. Watch out with Miss Ninja.
Alright, Miss Ninja, let's see.
Oh my God, look at how soft.
I got a little piece for you.
There we go.
And just for you to try it. And a big piece for me.
I want with everything in there.
Okay, grab everything.
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go for it, guys. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Who said that picanha cannot be made even better?
Wow. Guys, this is delicious, brother.
Ninja approved.
And sisters. Guys, this thing is amazing. It tastes crazy. Look at the term inside. Medium rare. Amazing term. It's funky. It's beefy. It have the cheese in there. It have the flavors of the peppers.
I love that combination.
And man, the onions and the bacon make a huge difference.
Oh, wow, really?
That's what bring it up. The bacon bring the flavors up like crazy, guys, like crazy.
Bacon makes everything better, even picanha.
You better do this thing, man, because this thing is crazy good. Adam, you've been asking for a recipe. Here you have it, man.
Give it a shot.
Give it a shot, man. It's a little bit of work. It's a little complicated. I would recommend you guys to get one of those, how do you call the agujas?
Oh, the sewing kit for the kitchen.
Yes, yes, something like that, because it was a little rough just to make it with a knife. It can be done,
nice.
But it tastes amazing, man.
Oh my God, I can't wait. Say bye.
Why?
Because I want to eat.
Hold on a second. Guys, let me ask you something. Did I make you hungry?
Oh.
If I made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. And don't forget to share these recipes, guys, on your social network, because I mean, more people need to know about this deliciousness, amazingness, crazy flavor that we have here, and it can fit the whole family. As you can see, we have 4 steaks out of it. So you let me know down there in the comments, what do you think about everything? What did I do wrong? Would you do it? Tell me any other recipe you would like me to make. This is awesome. That's all for today. Oh, but remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.
I have to let you go, guys. This thing is, we have to finish it.